Hello my friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am planning to take you on an exciting and amazing tour of my aquarium. Stay tuned and don't miss out on this incredible experience. Rotala is a popular stem aquatic plant that can grow tall and bushy, providing a suitable background for your planted tank. The marsh species of rotala have round leaves, but in aquariums, this plant has narrow and elongated leaves. Its leaves grow horizontally on long stems, creating a lush and vibrant look. Propagating rotala is simple, like any other stem plant, by cutting a stem and planting it in the substrate. Rotalas have delicate leaves. Be sure to handle them with care when moving or trimming them. The final coloration of rotala depends on its care conditions. The cryptocoryne wendti flamingo is considered a rare and sought-after plant in the aquarium hobby, with most aquarium enthusiasts eager to have it in their tanks. Common varieties of this plant are green and brown, but it is the unique and attractive pink color of the cryptocoryne wendti flamingo that sets it apart. The leaves of this plant are initially red and gradually transition to a bright pink color over time. This plant with its unique green color creates a beautiful contrast with red and colorful plants. It produces small white flowers, and if planted as a carpet, it provides an exceptional substrate for your aquarium. Eriocalon Vietnam absorbs nutrients from its large root system, which extends about 3 times the length of its leaves and thus contributes to a nutrient-rich substrate. This plant is considered one of the most delicate species of its kind. It is widely found in aquariums and can also be used as a plant in terrariums. This plant can be found creeping or submerged alongside rivers, ponds, lakes, as well as in marshy areas. Ludwigia arcuata is popular among aquarium enthusiasts due to its easy propagation and maintenance. This plant with prominent dark red leaves is native to North America. The contrast created by the vibrant red color of this plant adds a special beauty to the aquarium compared to other plants, for increased decorative appeal. Plant this in larger groupings and regular trimming will encourage more growth. This plant has low maintenance requirements, but if there is insufficient light, lower leaves may deteriorate. In bright light, its color will intensify. This plant was first discovered in the Western Ghats in India. Its leaves resemble pine needles and its stems are very sturdy. The plant requires a moderate level of filtration and needs suitable light and CO2 to survive. Liquid nitrogen fertilizer boosts the growth of this plant and the beautiful green color enhances the aesthetic appeal of your aquarium. This plant is very suitable for small aquariums. Rotala indica is widely found in warm regions of Asia and northern Italy. When it receives good light, its thick stems turn red. This plant is ideal for the foreground of the aquarium due to its round leaves and minimal branching. Pogostemon helferi, with its unique twisted and curly appearance and green leaf color, provides a remarkable foreground view for your aquarium. If you want to keep your plant compact and short, strong light is better, and if you are looking for rapid growth of your plant, consider very low light for it. This plant requires regular fertilization, especially when you do not have a large number of fish in the aquarium. Be careful, as if enough iron does not reach this plant, its leaves will turn yellow. This plant is native to North America. In some countries, it is considered a weed because it slows down water flow. This plant grows in the wild but is very adaptable and suitable for home aquariums. This plant grows in the wild but it is also a suitable plant for home aquariums. However, it requires periodic pruning. Cabomba caroliniana can be grown floating or planted in a substrate. Its stems and roots are feathery and delicate, making it very vulnerable to damage. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments for me.